Hey everyone, this is Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to play your PC games from Steam on your iPhone. So what you want to do is just go up to the top and go to Steam and go to Settings right here. And then go on down to where it says Remote Play. And make sure this is enabled. So you can see I already have my Samsung phone paired. And it's very easy to get it paired. Just make sure your computer and your phone are on the same Wi-Fi network, and it will automatically detect it, and you don't even have to sign in with any passwords or anything like that. So for example, on my Android phone, it's very easy. You just want to go to the Apple Store or the Google Play Store and just type in under search Steam Link right here. Steam Link, press enter, and then open this up right here. So this is what it looks like, Steam Link, and it's going to flip my screen around, and it's going to detect your computer. It's got the touch controller, and you just have to hit start playing. And your computer is going to go into the big picture mode in Steam. And now you're going to get a bunch of on-screen controls. And you can go up here and you can click this. And then you should be able to, exit it by going to power. You can stop streaming, stop game, disable touch, etc. And then you can change the controls around under here too. You got the speakers, you got the the face buttons. You got the on-screen keyboard if you want to bring that up. You got the Steam button, the tab and back button. So if you want to stop streaming, very easy. So we can just go to stop game. I don't think I have anything open up. So I can go to stop streaming. And it'll kick me back to this little blue screen. And from here, you just have to press up on your phone and then go back to the little circle thing. And here's the home screen. So it's still up in the background. So just do this and start up a game, and you can play from your iPhone, or you can get the Android app on your TV, which is kind of nice and convenient. If you got like an Android Fire Stick or maybe a Google device. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.